Dili daw guaranteed na after 10 years kay naa kay madawat na kwarta sa imuhang VUL. Well, actually that's also true. Dili jud siya guaranteed but naa siya potential. Ang VUL man gud is an insurance product na naay investment na attachment. A portion sa imong ginabayaran sa imong premium kay mapadulong dito sa investment. But take note, for the first few years, ang imuhang kwarta jud kay napadulong jud siya sa insurance kay mao man gud na ang priority. So ang mindset dapat nato as client is that ang VUL gina-prioritize jud niya una ang insurance, then ang investment. And of course, naman po commission makuha ang mga financial planners or financial advisors. Mao po nang isa ka reason nga it kind of takes time for the fund to grow kay ang kwarta instead mapadulong sa investment, mapadulong po a portion of it sa ilahang commissions, which is understandable man po kay mao man po na ilahang service na gina-offer sa imuha, and they also got to be paid. By the way, I am not an insurance agent. I'm just a client of insurance companies. If you really want to maximize your VUL, number one, dili jud nimo i-withdraw ang kwarta for a long time. So as much as possible, 10 years, 15 years, dili mo siya i-withdraw and let the compounding work for you. Ikaduha is, mangita ka og kanang mutual fund, nindot ang iyahang historical performance, at least man lang na kay reference na kaning imuhang gipili na fund is mas naa siya value in the long term. Kung dili po ganahan og kanang mutual fund na nasa equity, pwede kang mahimong balance fund para mas manage lang ang imuhang risk. So it really depends kay ikaw mangyapon na mong decide ana kung unsay klaseng mutual fund na imong i-connect sa imuhang VUL na product. And number 3 is that kung gamay gani ang imuhang premium, dan dili kayo ta mag-expect na dako ang imuhang investment fund puhon. The more money that you're going to invest, the more money that you're going to make. The less money that you're going to invest, the less money that you're going to make. Ana man jud na ang prinsipyo pangabot sa investments. As a client pod, makita po na nimo sa likod sa proposal na ay table diha na ginapakita sa mga financial advisors kanang 4, 8 and 10%. Ako, inani akong mindset is dara jud ko sa 4% nga tan-aw. Regardless na 10% ang gina-pitch sa kaning mga financial advisors, at least conservative ang ato ang forecast ba. If it goes bigger than that, then congratulations. But kung naalang diha dol, at least mao naman ang imong expect, so di kay ka madismaya. For me, VUL is still a good product. It really depends lang jud kung unsa ang policy inclusions. Makita jud nimo ang value for money based sa imuhang policy inclusions and kung pila imuhang ginabayad. Honestly lang pod, sad to say, naapoy uban ng mga insurance agents out there na nagabaligya jud sila VUL kay dako-dakong commissions and mahal pod ang ilang gina-offer. Nya dili jud siya beneficial for the client. Hopefully, kung ikaw insurance agent ka, nagatanaw ka ani kay unta dili na ikaw. So as a client, you have to be educated, you have to know what you're getting yourself into para dili pod masayang ang imuhang gipangbayad. Unsa ba imuhang thoughts about VUL? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it okay? Share your answers in the comment section.